Hey folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and we're over at Farm America doing a little work on some of their log buildings. This is, believe this is day 5. We are now working on the barn. We've done all the log replacement over here on the house. I should look at this one here. We've replaced a couple logs here, and we're doing some epoxy work where there's some rot in the middle of this log that doesn't make it really worth replacing. So anyway, put some consolidant in here, and then we put some of the epoxy paste in, and then I put a roll of blocks in here, and then we'll cover it with epoxy when it's done. And then we're going to use chinking like this to cover it and hide it. So we've got another spot over here that we're going to do that with this second log over here. So anyway, that'll take care of that. Over here we've got a lot of decay because the chinking was installed improperly. It wasn't really, the logs weren't cleaned really very well, and a lot of the chinking has allowed the water to go in the joints, and then it's trapped in there because they've got a little bit better job of sealing on the lower half of this joint. So it ends up acting kind of like a little gutter where the rain comes in up on top and has nowhere to go. Back here you can see where here's the material that we took out. Well, the other thing is they didn't really put backer foam in there. They just left these big chunks of wood in there, and this is what happens. The logs are rotting out from the top down, and this one here is hollowed out pretty bad, so we're going to replace that one too. So anyways, one other thing that has come up, this log up here, I think it's the 10th course, it's the one with the hole in it, is bowed out so bad it's got to get pulled back in, shall we say, before it falls out. So we're going to do a change order on that and take out all the chinking, attach a winch to it, go into the other side of the building, and we're going to winch it back in place, and some log fasteners and some steel strapping. So anyhow, that's our project at Farm America. Next week we're going to start doing chinking on it, and we normally do a lot neater job of chinking than they did here, so it should be pretty easy to match the quality of the work. Let's see. All right, we'll see you next week. Bye.